Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Mailchimp for paid plans, complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Mailchimp for paid plans, begin by logging into your Mailchimp account. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings by clicking your profile name in the lower left corner. In the account settings menu, select account. Next, find and click on settings in the drop-down menu. Then, select API keys from the options provided. Here, you'll see the existing API keys. To create a new API key, click the Create a Key button. Once the key is generated, make a note of it, as you'll need it later. Now, open a new tab and go to the service or application you want to connect with Mailchimp. Locate the section for integrations or API settings in that application. When in the API settings, look for an option to connect or authenticate with Mailchimp. Paste the API key you copied earlier into the designated field. Be sure to save your changes to ensure the integration is active. Return to your Mailchimp account to verify the connection is successful. You can do this by navigating back to the API keys section. If the new integration appears without any issues, you're successfully authenticated. In case of any errors, double-check your API key for accuracy. If needed, you can regenerate the API key and repeat the process. Once authenticated, you can start utilizing Mailchimp's paid features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.